Andorra is a small, landlocked country located in the eastern Pyrenees Mountains between Spain and France. It is one of the smallest countries in Europe, with an area of just 468 square kilometers and a population of approximately 77,000 people. Andorra has a unique political system, as it is a co-principality, with the President of France and the Bishop of Urgell in Catalonia, Spain serving as its co-princes. Andorra's economy is largely based on tourism, particularly winter sports, as well as banking and finance. The country has a well-developed ski industry and is known for its duty-free shopping. Andorra is also known for its natural beauty and outdoor recreational activities, such as hiking, mountain biking, and skiing. The official language of Andorra is Catalan, although French, Spanish, and Portuguese are also widely spoken. The country is known for its rich cultural heritage, including its Romanesque architecture, folk traditions, and festivals.